Today we're going to be testing the dishwasher down here for the first time. I have run this unit through one cycle previously just to see if it operates, and it did appear to operate, but how well it works and how much longer it'll work for, that I have no idea. This is a General Electric Adora pot scrubber, and there's not a whole lot of settings on there. But it looks pretty clean inside. I suspect it works just fine. I have disconnected the heating element down in the bottom because we're going to be putting mostly plastic parts in here, and heat and plastic just don't mix. I don't suspect it will experience any degraded performance from the lack of the heating element. Most likely either the sanitizing cycle just won't work anymore or the drying won't work as well. It's still going to be fed hot water, so it should still clean pretty well. This is the first fan we're going to test with it. This is just a cheesy piece of junk. If something does get ruined, this is easily replaced. Actually, this fan doesn't even work, so it won't matter much at all. But the main thing I want this for is cleaning plastic fan guards just like this, because it takes forever to sit here and scrape every single thing and clean it off by hand. So if this would clean off a guard like this, then it's well worth having. I'm not sure that I'm going to put blades in the dishwasher normally, especially not if it's something I really care about. I'll try it just to see what happens, but I would be concerned that the heat might warp the blades. I'm going to put all of these parts in there. Come on. I don't know why this doesn't work. Bearings are perfectly free still. I suspect that maybe it fell over when it was on osculating mode, and it just burnt out that way. Probably just a bad thermal fuse. Should be a simple fix. And I'll try to get the base in there as well. Just one less thing to have to clean my hands, right? So if we could eliminate all the time spent cleaning all these different parts, that'd be fantastic. Well, it takes up a lot of space. But you know what, that's fine. I'd rather run it twice than waste my time on this. See if we can kind of finagle it like that. Now that blocks the mechanism from rotating. that's free. So I got everything in there except for the base. We're going to try this soap first. This is the store brand soap. I don't think it works quite as well as some of the more expensive ones, but I'd rather give it a shot and see first, because this is much cheaper. Pre-wash, I don't know what that is. Okay, it's full. Now this is kind of a stupid design because now you can't operate it when it's closed. But that's what everybody likes now. Ooh, it's modern. It's called impractical. I guess we'll just put it on automatic. Yeah, so like the heated dry, added heat, steam, I don't think that stuff would work out of the elements. Let's turn it on. Why does that sound like it's just pouring somewhere onto the floor? No, it's not. It's going in there. For now, I just have the drain hose kind of hooked up here like this. I'm gonna maybe I'll put something on there to keep it held down. I need nasty fan juice spraying everywhere. Oh, here it goes. It sure sounds like it's working. I don't know how long this takes to complete a cycle or anything like that, so we'll just come back in a couple hours and see what the results are. It definitely sounds like it's working. Well, I think it broke because it says it's clean, but no water came out. It's full of water. Well, it looks like it kind of worked pretty good. But it sure would have worked better if it wasn't full of water still. I thought it seemed odd that, that it wasn't changing the water. Well, that's kind of annoying. When I tested it the first time, it did pump out. So I don't know what went wrong. I turned it back on for a few minutes to just see what was going on, and it seems like I don't know if there's a separate pump for the drain or if it's just a solenoid, but it seems like that component, whatever it is, has failed because you can hear the relays clicking in the control and nothing's happening. So it's got to be, we either got a bad connection or a bad solenoid or a bad pump or something. The pump works, the main pump works, which is over there. I don't know if this is a secondary pump or this is just something that opens and closes. Either way, this is a major fiasco now, to say the least, because this thing's full of water and soap, and I don't really know much about dishwashers to begin with. So now I have to decide if this is even worth trying to put money into to fix it or not. I mean, it was technically free in the sense it came with the house, so I don't have any money into it now. So maybe buying a new solenoid or a new pump, I suppose, wouldn't be too bad if it's not outrageously expensive, but it's just annoying. Especially because I can't even say like, oh, I should have checked it. I did check it. I checked it before I installed it and it worked. So I don't know, maybe something else is wrong too, because it looks like on the top here, it didn't even clean this at all. Right, like this is completely filthy too, and it's not like it's stuck on there at all. The bottom seemed to clean pretty good. Well, I don't know. I don't know what the problem is here. Now I gotta figure out how to get all that water out of there. And not good. Got to get this water out of here to start troubleshooting it. So I got the wet vacuum set up, and let's see if we can get this water out of here. I haven't used this vacuum in a while. Hopefully the bearings are going to cooperate.